Josephus was a historian who lived in ancient Rome and wrote about Jewish-Roman wars. It's unlikely that he had an opinion on AI, as it did not exist during his time. However, if we were to speculate, I believe that Josephus would be fascinated by the concept of AI and the potential it holds for improving human society. He was a man who valued knowledge and innovation, and I believe he would see AI as an exciting development in the pursuit of progress. Shall I continue?
Thank you, GPT-4.
Now let's test the things that make us human. Let's ask GPT-4 to write us a song. But first we need to choose the genre. Will it be jazz, grunge,
Folk.
Pop.
Country.
country? All right. And now we need 4 words that you would like to hear in the song.
Elephant.
Elephant,
Sidewalk.
sidewalk,
Mashed potatoes.
mashed potatoes,
Lonesome.
lonesome,
Lonesome.
lonesome.
Oh.
Okay, GPT-4, please write us a country song using the words elephant, sidewalk, mashed potatoes, and lonesome.
Wrangling the song. Perhaps you could give me a beat.
I was walking down the sidewalk, feeling down and blue, when I saw an elephant, big and strong and true. I asked him for advice on how to make it through. He said, son, just like mashed potatoes, I can be a little rough on you. Mashed potatoes, elephant hide. Life can be a bumpy ride.